Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. So now the time for study. Okay, here chapter 2 and part 2. Subject Maths. Chapter 2 long and short. Okay, in part 1 we have to learn about the measurement. Now we have to here study about how tall have you grown. Okay, when you are in standard 3rd, your height was some shorter. Then now you are in standard 4, your height should be grown up. Okay, so here you see, do you remember that in class 3rd you measured your height? Yes, your PT teacher Savita ma'am measured your height. Okay, and noted also. So now here you also grown up more and more. Do you think you have grown taller? Yes. How much tall now you are? How much? Yes, about 6 centimeter. Okay. Now have your friends also grown taller? Find out and fill the table below. Okay, your classmates here is Abhay, Marsha, Honey, Neer, and all. Okay, but you are not here in the school, but from home you have to measure your height. Okay, and you have to also help with your parents, your elder brother and sisters. Okay, now here is a table. See here, find out and fill the table below. See here. Now your friend's name, last year's height, this year's height, and how many centimeter have they grown. See in this table. Your friend's name is Abhay. Last year in standard 3rd, Abhay's height was 125 and this year's height is 135. So he grew up 10 centimeter. Okay, and he grown 10 centimeter from last year. Now Marsha, last year 140, height was 140 centimeter. This year height 148 centimeter. And here 8 centimeter different grown up. Dave 130 centimeters. Here 136 centimeters. 4 centimeters grown up. Okay, here you see Honey. Honey was 150 centimeters last year. This year he grown up 153 centimeter and grown 3 centimeter. Neer 140 centimeter and here 146 centimeter and different is 6 centimeter. Okay, so that's way you have to how many centimeter have grown. Okay, so we have to here measure the height of last year, height of this year, and difference between, that means grown. How many centimeter they grown? We have to find here. Okay, now see here, Jalpa. Once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. See here. Oh my God. What a height. You see? Okay. Too much heighted girl. And here see. Oh, wow. His height is exactly double my height. She is saying. Okay. Now, Jalpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jalpa's height. How tall is Jalpa? हमें जल्पा की कितनी हाइट है वो देखना है. Here is the tallest and his height was 272 centimeter. Now here see 272 divided by 2 centimeter, so we have to find here 136 centimeter. It's the Jalpa's height. So how tall was Jalpa? Jalpa was 136 centimeter. Okay, so you have to imagine. Okay, how can you image? You have to image this, the long and short of your family. Okay, who is the tallest in your family? Your father, your uncle, your grandpa. After them, who is the shortest in your family? Your elder brother, your elder sister, anyone. What is the difference between their heights? You have to write down here. Okay, so you have to do this exercise today and write here with pencil. Okay. Now we have to going to the race ground. Savita ma'am took to on your playground of the school. Are you ready with her? Okay. Savita ma'am, I am coming, I am coming, I am coming. Students saying that. Okay. So we have to going to race ground. Okay. Inter-school sports meet. Race. This is 100 meters race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Behind her, Rehana, Kavita, Uma are running behind Rehana. Look at the picture to answer the question below. Choose from this distance. Okay. 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters. Here see in this picture all the girls going to the finishing line. Here is, see all the girls going fastly. Okay, so here is first. How far is Rehana from Arundhati? See here, 3 meters. Okay, now how far ahead is Rehana from Kavita and Uma? 6 meters. Okay, how far are Kavita and Uma from finishing line? 15 meters. Okay, so have you heard about 1500 meter or 3000 meters race. Okay, very good. But now you have to remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Okay, so this one is most important, that you have to understand about 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half kilometer. You have to remember this one. Okay, when we write the notes about I will writing here in your notebook. Okay, but you must remember this, that 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer and 500 meter make a half kilometer. Okay, so here you see, in a 1500 meters race, people runs this kilometer. So you write here 1.5 kilometer or 1 kilometer and 500 meter. Okay, here in 3000 meters race, people run 10 kilometer. You know very well, 1000 millimeter equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 3000 meters equal to 3 kilometer. Okay, so this way you have to convert from meter to kilometer, meter to kilometer. You have to remember, first 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. This is the important thing you have to must remember. Okay, so we have to learn today about converting of meters, kilometer, and how can we run in the race and make the rank in the race. Okay, here enjoying the race with your PT teacher. Okay, so we have to enjoy today about the race and understand and learn about the meters and kilometers and half kilometers, about the songs. Okay, now we have to already learn about the meter, kilometer and more. We have to learn about the height also in standard 3rd, in standard 4th you have. So thank you students for this class today. Okay, welcome, and you will come from tomorrow here. Bye students.